Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to isolate one color on your video on Capcut. So if you can only show one color on your video like this, then let me show you how to do this on Capcut. So here I've got Capcut application open. We'll go ahead and create a new project. Now here we'll go ahead and import a video. We'll go ahead and drag it to your timeline. So let's say I want to make everything black and white and I only want to show these lemons at the bottom left, yellow. So let's isolate one color on this video clip. So to do this, we'll go ahead and select that clip. At the top right, we'll go ahead and tap on Adjust. Then we'll go ahead and tap on HSL. So we'll bring the tint and the saturation down and the lightness down for all the colors. Now once it's done, we'll go ahead and adjust only one color, which is yellow. So we'll go ahead and select yellow, and we'll bring back the color for the yellow for it. And as you can see, we have isolated one color on this video clip, which is yellow. So you can basically make the adjustments on tint and saturation and lightness to have your desired output. So there you go guys, that is how to isolate one color on your video on your Capcut application.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And